Eclipse Automation, a full solution automation provider that has both the know-how and the global capacity to bring your products from pilot to high-volume global manufacturing. Our global footprint, including facilities in Canada, the United States, Hungary, Switzerland, Germany, and Malaysia, provides both worldwide bench strength and regional know-how across expert teams that design, build, and integrate advanced automation solutions for many of the world's leading manufacturers. Our total vertical integration sets us apart, with full in-house control of all processes, from concept to installation, ensuring the highest quality standards and faster speed to market for every customer. From in-house expertise in specific processes like winding technology to full contract manufacturing options, we take care of every step, and we guarantee that our customers get consistent, efficient, and innovative solutions at every touch point. Our seamless process includes our ability to leverage our network to our customers' advantage across all Eclipse sites. We have the ability to build and service in region, and with a pool of experts across the world, we offer flexible and convenient automation resources to meet the need. In a business where superior execution means everything, Eclipse harnesses multi-industry know-how and a long history of innovative thinking to bring our customers' products to life on time and on budget. With over 20 years of complex custom automation experience, the Eclipse team has designed and built innovative systems within a wide range of industries, including life sciences, transportation, consumer products, and nuclear energy. We collaborate with our customers to deliver end-to-end solutions that make their final products extraordinary. For more on how we can design and build the future for you, please visit eclipseautomation.com.